I'm the air conditioning man. The air conditioning man. Yes, y'all. Yes, I'm in air conditioning school. A lot of hating ass motherfuckers didn't think I would do it. That I could do it. But yes, I'm in air conditioning school, y'all. Sure is. Ha ha ha. The refrigeration school. The refrigeration school haters. You damn right. Temperature chart. Getting ready to do this damn thing, y'all. I said, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Uh-huh. Y'all see a nigga? Okay, install the red holes, niggas. Okay, install red holes on the high side of the port. Red on high side, then close the deal. Then open it. Open the ball. That's the ball, y'all. Ball, y'all. Open it. Okay. Open. High side manifold. Purge through the yellow. Purge through here. This up. Open this up. Purge through here. Close that up. Close that back. Close this back. Ball valve. That's right, haters. That's right, haters. That's right, haters. Ha ha ha! I did it. So, I'm in air conditioning school.